Welcome all 7th standard. Today we discuss about adaptation in plant. Okay. In previous lecture, I have teach you all adaptation in plant. All adaptation in plant. You understand all about this. Okay. And any doubts regarding to adaptation in plants, you ask me in chat box in live lecture. In this lecture also you ask question related to what technical problem and related to study point. You ask me in chat box in live lecture. Okay. If any question you arise your mind. Okay. Today we will discuss about adaptation in plant. Today is discuss about adaptation in plant. We already teach you adaptation in plants. I have already teach you adaptation in plant. Today discuss about adaptation in plants. Various animals and various types of animals, okay, various species are present on earth of animals, okay, various species, okay. Some three question is there, okay. Make a list animal your surrounding. Make a list animal your surrounding, in surrounding atmosphere, in surrounding environment, in your village, in your district, okay. Make a list animal your surrounding. Which types of dogs is there, cat is there, okay, and other types of animal. Make a list in your animal present in surrounding and atmosphere and environment, okay. Compare the diversity of animal list by your friend with your list, okay. This list you make animal your surrounding. This list compare your list of your friend. Okay, compare your list by animal list by your friend. Okay, and compare the diversity. Diversity means परिसंख्या. Diversity means परिसंख्या. Diversity means परिसंख्या. Diversity is defined as the all living things like animal, plant, human, and together is produce diversity. Is produce diversity. It include all this, all living things. Is called diversity. Okay, make a list in animal your surrounding, and this list compare with animal list by your friend. Animal list by your friend, and also diversity of animal. Also diversity of animal. Marathi meaning is प्राण्यांची परिसंख्या. Marathi meaning is प्राण्यांची परिसंख्या. How much and which one animal are present in the surrounding is called diversity of animal. Diversity of animal. Okay. Discuss the habits, food habits, characteristics of body structure. Habits, सवयी, food habits, खाण्याच्या सवयी, character of body structure. What is meant by character of body structure? शरीराची रचना. शरीराची रचना. This is what characteristics of body. This is the characteristics of body. This list, after making the list, discuss about their habits, food habits, which food are they consume. Okay, character, what character are present, various types of animal you listed. Okay, and body structure also. Body structure. Which factor you discuss about what habit, food habit, character of this animal, and body structure of animal. These four factors you discuss with your friend. Okay. Next, like vertebral columns, vertebral column, wings, पंख, gills. What is meant by gills? Kalle. Tails, shepu. Tails means shepu. Okay. Like vertebral column, पाठीचा कणा म्हणतात. काय म्हणतात मराठी मध्ये? पाठीचा कणा. Like vertebral column, पाठीचा कणा. Okay. Wings, पंख, gills, tails. Okay. This is also discussed with your friend. Okay. Habits, food habit, character of food structure, next vertebral column, wings and gills and tails. Okay. Next, what difference do you see between terrestrial and aquatic plant? What is meant by terrestrial? Terrestrial and aquatic aquatic animals. Sorry, aquatic animal. Terrestrial. What difference do you see between terrestrial and aquatic animal? What is meant by terrestrial? The animal which found in land, found on land. The animal which found on land. And what is meant by aquatic? The animal which found in water, found on water, found in water. The terrestrial means what? The animal which found on land. The animal aquatic means the animal which found in water. Land on water, land in land on animal which land and animal which found on land is called terrestrial. Animal which found in water is called aquatic animal. Okay. This is some major minor difference are terrestrial and aquatic plant. What the terrestrial animal found on land and what aquatic animal? The aquatic animal found in water. Okay. Next, as compared terrestrial animal, the skin, body shape to aquatic plant are different. Okay. As compared terrestrial animal like the skin, त्वचा, body shapes, रचना with aquatic plant are different. This comparison of terrestrial animal and aquatic animal, which comparison? The skin and body shape are different. The skin and body shape are different. The skin and body shape are different. As compared terrestrial animal, the skin and body shape aquatic plant are different. Okay. Okay. Next, appear to have undergone changes. Okay, appear to have undergone changes like skin, body shape of terrestrial animal also and aquatic plant also appear to have undergo change. म्हणजे बदल, म्हणजे सतत बदल होतात. Okay, next, fishes have scale. Scale means खवले. Scale means khole on skin and fins per on body per. Okay, fishes have scale on skin and fins on body. Their body both ends like spindle. Spindle means nimurti, like spindle. Spindle, like spindles. This structure is called spindle. This structure is called spindle. Nimurti. Okay, nimurti. Next, fish breathe with gills instead of nose. Human and other animal breathe with nose, but fish breathe with gills. Gills means kalle. Gills mean kalle instead of nose. Instead of nose. Okay. Their eyes have transparent eyelids. The eyes have transparent eyelids. Transparent eyelids means what? पारदर्शक पापण्या. पारदर्शक पापण्या. Eyelids means पापण्या. पारदर्शक पापण्या. Transparent eyelid. Their eyes have transparent eyelid म्हणजे पारदर्शक पापण्या. Okay. They have air bladder within body to help them float. Air bladder. जे हवा कोश. हवा कोश. Air bladder जे हवा कोश. Air bladder means हवा कोश. Within body to help them float. Air continues coming in this air bladder of this fish, and this fish easily float on water. This fish easily float on water. Why a fish easily float on water? Because air bladder present in body. Air bladder present in body. Okay, that's why fish easily float on water and avoid flow of water. Avoid flow of water. Okay, easily float on water. Float means तरंगने. Float means तरंगने. Float means तरंगने. easily float on water. Okay, they have air bladder, vayu push within body to help them to float on body. Okay, this is what diagram related to this discussion. Okay, and the adaptation in plant like aquatic plant fish. Okay, this is a fish gills. Gills are used to breathe. Okay, and scale. This portion, this part is this portion of part is structure is what scale. This scale means hole. This part is what scale. Scaly. Okay, scaly means hole. Okay, this portion is called scale. Fins means what? Pearl. Fins means what? Pearl. Okay, this used for avoiding flow of water, high flow of water. This is what? Avoiding high flow of water. Okay, to resist high flow of water. Resist means virodh. Resist means virodh. High flow of water. Gills used for breath. This portion like scale like. Okay, fins, pearl to avoid large flow of water. To avoid large flow of water. Okay, you understand? This 12 points and this diagram is 1.10 in your textbook. Okay, you already see. Okay, what use of leg to this animal? Okay, whatever other animals. Okay, what is the use of leg? This is a simple question. Legs are used in animal for the movement. For the movement means halchal. Movement means halchal. Okay. Next, what help frog breathe underwater? What help frog to breathe? What help to breathe underwater? What help frog to breathe in underwater? The body of this frog is continuously moist, and this moist body supply oxygen to frog. This moist body supply oxygen to this frog. That's why the frog to breathe underwater. Frog breathe underwater. The body of this frog made by moist skin. This moist skin supply oxygen to frog. This moist skin supply oxygen to frog. That's why frog help breathe underwater. Okay. What are the use of long leg of frog? Long leg of frog to fast swimming. What are the use of long leg of frog? The use of long leg of frog to fast swimming, to resist water, to fast swimming, resist to water, to capture the prey. To capture the prey म्हणजे भक्ष्य पकडणं. To capture the prey means भक्ष्य पकडणं. That's why the long legs of frog. That's why long legs of frog. Okay. Why doesn't duck get wet in water? Why doesn't duck get wet in water? Because duck body are produced with wet skin. Duck body to produce wet skin. Water on this body is lost. Water of the body is lost on this body. Okay. What doesn't duck get wet in water? Why? The duck body are made by wet skin. Yeah, moist skin. Wet skin, yeah, moist skin. Okay. You understand? Why doesn't duck get? That's why water thrown off. That's why water thrown off on this duck body. Okay. That's why duck get wet in water. Why duck get wet in water? Because duck body is naturally wet. Duck body is naturally wet. The skin of this duck is naturally wet. That's why water is removed on this body. Water are continuously removed on this body. And that's why the duck get wet in water. Duck get wet on Why the wet in water? Because their skin made by wet substance, yeah, wet, yeah, moist body, yeah, moist body. Okay, you understand this one? You understand all this one? Okay, this is our today's lecture. This is our today's lecture. Okay, this is our today's lecture. If any problem regarding to these points, if any problem regarding to technical problem, okay, you ask me. Okay, you this point you carefully watch this video, carefully watch. If any doubts to ask this question, you carefully observe, carefully thinking on this. Okay, and you ask me if a question arises regarding to this diagram, regarding to this question, regarding to this adaptation of plant in first our first point. You ask me in chat box in live lecture, also in chat box. Okay, you ask me any problem. Thank you.